Odofo medase se wode wa fidie no ato Adom TV. Ya woni beto na muntuo ewo nkranhye mre we so. Me a me dwumadi ho chia me edi amje so ni tekotego. Ene dia mede bre won say start taking control over the life you are living. Wabrabo fa hye wa wonsa. Na fa kwa be fa so de wabrabo akoduro. Na me kasa fa wabrabo hye wonsa. Ubebi say na kade be na me hye wabrabo hye mensa, mini sika. Mini boafo. Na kwan ben so na metime de wabrabo hye mensa na maye. What you think you become. What you think you become. Nya wodwene ho no na ebamu. I know most of us have heard this more than once or twice. But what does it mean to say what you think you become? Minim say what is asemo da. Na ede na e kire se de amedwene na ebam. Mahunu se emre bebre ye nyinara ya na yi adwene fini ya adwene ho. Every day you have over 60,000 thoughts. And most of them are the same as the day before, and most of them are negative. Adichi bia no adwembe eduasa empime eduasia 60,000 ene enam adwemu a ekọ ede akọnyaba dodo no aya adwene a wodwene nura na ano ne mfise ne na dodo no so eye adwene a enkoyi sebe negative se wo spend wo time se wo dia atete ni abomfiayo ni empo ensem fata and negative thoughts na betinki a your present state will never change. When you spend a great amount of your time thinking about past situations, living with your regrets and what if and why not me, you suffer. So obenya kwan ahye bibi so abrabo mu a. So obenya kwan aye bibi amana ye a aye wadwene. And penin say a troubled mind cannot think clearly and vigorously. Adwene empo adwendwen da mu no emwa enkoso ye nyina ewo atenka bi sesese ye ye nyina ewo atenka bi sesese edi nkunim ye nyina ye wo nioma bi a yadwen se ebetimi ayamana ayeye ene mama nkonwa na ade bi a beye abeboaboa wo no na hyase ene wadwene so. It is an area of life most of us gloss over. But there's a connection between your thoughts and how your life is transformed. There's a connection between your thoughts and transformations in your life. Said ya brabo be sakra no. Nigira so eya adwene a wodwene. Ene dey se wotimi fa wadwene a wodwene ho. Na ka kire se be ma adwene a madwene no. Se me dwene na sakra ma brabom. Mind is everything and what you think you become. Papa mu, boni mu, nyina so ena eye wadwene a wodwene. Se twa konkron e ka kire o se ne dey me ma nkwa ene owuo me ma nhira eno me semu na yi ba ko a che se dwene enkwa ho na dwene nhira ho o ma nkwa ne owuo ye ko owuo anya se bia wawu da wa ekosie wo wabrabo na nka se e bia na ba bia wu u business awo ye bia ba bia wu empo wa ware awu o se ne dey enkwa ne ni owuo nie ehia no me nie na me sere o se semu na yi nkwa na obe da semu yi nkwa ejina adwene abadwene. Everything in life is based on the energy of your thinking patterns. You first think anything before they come to pass. Nya obenya bia no efiri wadwene. Dia bepe bia no eye wadwene. Na wadwene no ede nema bi kɔ ewie mu e friend vibrations. Na ebenya nneoma a wokan no ama asa ba wo nkyɛn. Sempo ka sɛ me bra watu ase aba wadua. Woka sɛ yie enye yie wadua ba. Adwene bia badwene wadwene mo bi ni ho ba sa adwene na kura wo. Me de me nsem fata, me de me nko school de ntim nyamia, me de me nyatenten, me de me yesei nya wo ka no ebebem. Wo se me boa na me ka kira wo say when you say yes to fear and self-doubt, you say no to a meaningful life. Se wogi ehu adwene eto adwene proso. Wogi abomfi adwene eto adwene proso. Wodwene se me de me ntimi nya bibi adwene to adwene so a wabrabo ensi yeda. And then there will be some wabi. If you were to ask me to help you with one thing that can help you become great, it will be some wabi a betimi aboa wo no abra bo ayeya se mo bibia betimi aboa wo a Any say me kyerɛ kwan betumi afa adwene correctly. If I have to give you anything to make your life better, if I could give you, I'll teach you how to think right. So if you have to change your life, you have to change the content of your mind. And you have to pay closer attention to your thoughts, because your thoughts will shape your life. So say adwene bi eda wa adwene so say mra mekan. Say wa ko school, say unko school, say wo so, say wo sha, say pani, say akwada. Bibia ewu hia esene adwene a wo dwene. Adwene eni nipa. Na ye wa adwene mienu, ye wa adwene ba ko a esum mu adwene. Ene wo ba adwene ba ko ye han mu adwene. Meka esum mu adwene a esum mu adwene se wo de wo mpa adesua. Lack of knowledge. Esum mu adwene se wo de bone ahye wa adwene so ma. Empo etimodine ahye wa adwene so ma. Pesamunkunya ahye wa adwene so ma. Entro ne etan ene empo nkrofo nseko die ena ahye wa adwene so ma. De ensem fata ena ahye wa adwene so ma. Me de mintimi e abrabo ye obre o enkoyie mefa hini o sa adwene ne ahye wa adwene so ma e de esum eba wa brabo mu. Nemom yekase ehan adwene a ehan adwene ne se wo pe onyankopon asem enyina so na wakase ade nyina mu no bibia ba wie pe amame na awurade otimi mu no wo so se nneoma wo wiase nti meyie me de meye edikanfo na menye chitani. Seek your motivation from the word of God. Na ebiom wama wadwene ada wodoso. Wadwene ada se meye bibia ma obi. Wadwene ada nokure so. Wadwene ada moburu ho so. Wadwene ada se odi wobuo manipa. Na wadwene adivote to the right things. Ntina abrabo aye boye adwene bo ha e sum abrabo. Ena adwene bo ha e han. Ntina de wo dwene abisa se adwene amebadwene afa me ho yi. Dia medwene afa wo bi ho no. Dia medwene afa mabrabo ho. Dia medwene afa onipa simasi ho no. Eye sum adwene ana eye han adwene. Na wodwene esum a esum ebe kata wabrabo so na uhunu hwe. Abrabo aye boye no. Me say abrabo aye boye. Adwene bi wo ha esum adwene. Ene se wo mpa adesua. Lack of knowledge ma esum ba abrabo mu. Ene se wo de adwene a wodwene eye boneye. Ene mpo nsusuye fi. Ene susuye a ehu. Ene susuye a papa yo nim. Ene mpo nsusuye a epesem kunya. Me de minyade a me mo bibie. Me de eno ena ntro ene bre ne wotan ne atimodne adwen no ende esum ena ba abrabo so na emom se wodwen adwen ye han a ene se obepe otwedi amponsam a kire kwan na wobobo ne nsem ho na ma wodo atena akoma mu na wama empo amoburu ho atena wadwen pon so na wa se me de manya bi ama obi bi na empo wa ne se obedi nokure na wodi nidie ama onipa na wa se me de mekanya me ho na me mama na me onyame bo me se so enti me so metime bi wodwene adwene sei ya han adwene. Bible na say we must demolish arguments and every pretension that says itself against the knowledge of God. Ade bi e be sori e ka wahye no manwene ho ti bi a wo mu no manwene ti bia no ho na dwene na opese wokọ na dwene adwempa dwene a eye han manwene adwene a eye sum ya na obo bi sobo na obi na ayami o na obi na etiami o bisa se wan na otan wo esin nneoma a wodwene afa ho otan be na tan wo sin adwene a wodwene esum adwene e de esum ba abrabo mu na han mu adwene e ma han ba abrabo mu na okọ anim toti aha na meja wo begini se ene da ekoi obadwene abebisa ho sa adwene medwe esum ana han na adwene a e de han be ba abrabo mu adwene ye odo pepeye no kureka empo papayo na se wotu ho asi waye bibi wosom adwene na utie onyankopon sam ada kyekere were ada bo antoma no abobra medase ahana me no besie wonim dada ediam yeso ni tekotego na ochina nyame ya adom na adom dom ye Adom TV a minum se be san hia biom woni onyame.
Itekotego yeda se ene eye ukwada September 28, 2022 ene so nyamede achaye ni teko ni yewie ewo nkransesem no mede bedwam kase no ena eto awoso ade di makotene bia obete ene se piak for ena niema bia enshada enkoyie papa efa petroleum revenue no womo apa ehontoma ena afeso womo a ewo so to adan ewo eye odoko kwan no so kire se potholes no urban roads for nhwe na wonye sie ema won ebi ka we ho ena no pay ema ne ye bedwam kase me ndi ma metra diamond memwache na me hyase de afi piak for ensensem no ho Public Interest and Accountability Committee a wotwaniti ase piak no womo ama enyumakuo bi te se sika na se to anka wobenya ede afi oman yufam wo ye petroleum sector ho no entokro bi abede da ho nyina womo pa hontoma ama obi ehu se eniema anase ntotoye bi enkoyi ewo sa petroleum ho no
ono kire se afi bia sika ye de be ma Minister of Finance or de be support budget no se sika no move 5% and comma district assembly common fund no some fancy projects are all the various districts no you see more fee from January to June no bibi anko even though no year no end day and say I grow ebe so ayede ifra no pa first half no am fa bibi anko a there pa na kire say last you know say a continuous project and so am fa bia nko na bi came and yesre abanse e bi nkoye no ye draw attention bi nkoye no onfa na ntwe ho na 5% onfa nko
eno achi wo kire kwan ya Ghana Revenue Authority entimi anjeje eto a ewo se wonum agie efiri asoye ho
another institution ya tese piak Ghana Infrastructure Investment Committee omuna oho obehwe amfie bi atwamu no emfie bi atwamu no ma omuska airport new airport we ye discussion ye de fa omuso ye de fa no zemfa so anya no bebre na we no ye de ma om no ye call parliament no mu kwari ye sa de na ya amfa details ama na so okay yes we ye adwuma no to da kakra so to sini you have to accept it law no kire se afi bia sika ye de be ma Minister of
Ejadifo a womo wo soto adan na se shop se wo odoko traffic light kwan so ho no e na e ka kire urban roads for say kwan no emu atutu no ba bia atutu aduro no se wo frɛ no se potholes no bia enye yi akwakoye manhole enti wo srempanifo se wo meye emfa ma won na bra wo ne adom kase ensentro for churches ansemi mu no de okan ye bia ne se wo mo aya wo de akwan ne hye won sa no kwan pa a won fa so nye ne ye enti e na be wiase na amna abededada kwan no
I'm say and from back when you cry 4 times in the mail ha kwan say go to that ase na say for that na ya kwan na obeyi you know wonye ono ase oba na oba be ye ne sa ayi ka say da ho no ho ka say na ayi for na yi da de na da be for na scraps no afi ho no enti contract am ba en say ka so obetu ama nsuo no so ebe ko no wa anye ne sa enti nsuo no to a aba be tai the contract obey kwan na so mane ba obey kwan yi
dami kwan efie kosi offender pogas a major problem isuta is end ada ha enye manho ada enye porto enye manho ankasa isu ka bia ntumi fa ha ka bia ntumi fa wo ka MPs o say o me ye baba wo ba na wo de beba beguso within 3 days 4 days isuta the same problem all the roads wo offender ahadumi na yakute major problem
ani ya ka over 8 years ko ya ka ye frɛ aban ye frɛ MC ye be frɛ yensi adwuma na wo he ye business na wa ebu ye adwuma nti sometimes ye tumi boa ye ho ya ni filling station ni abetwa so ya ye twa nsuo no to ana na asa beta so na asa etutu so what ya say ya frɛ aban na frɛ nti net na obon se etwa na nya aban na ebetwa enya obi an na etwa ya ye wo he ya na ye ne ya sisi kwan no because I affect your business ye wi an nsuo to na san beta so na san yesi by a feel say engineering problem ase no gata na e wa ase no echoki nti nsuo no eto na beta gata no so ye kwan said den December ya na ye kwan ye betwa kwan we what you say we ye kwan said den after nsuo no start pe na san tutu
wa kwan ho nsem ya ena so afa wo hwe akwan ne akwantempo ho nsem so kwasi amwakwata ede chewpa ama ahyenkafo ne wo mo a efa enkrofo junction dikosi kojokrom kwatempo no so se ono akaza de nani ahu pentenkwa wo mu kom ni wo hawo saa kwan ne ti aba omafo fa saa kwan no so abrabom eti wapa won chew e kire se won hwe wanim wo be ya ma wo
mo parliament no oyo minia papa no minia me ti papa no say ye duma ko atun chenya nim ti papa pakin boss ko ma chenya enra mi be fa ha mi be hu aduma no na me ra ko papa so such a major road Cape Coast Takrady road ye benya such a you ha no nti any power constituency here Ahubrasia no the power show papa the power show any onga driver for ni idea apasu na no nanye adi papa no Ahubrasia mo me power me power show papa na say contractor no abaha
Mrashebejoni ono no wo esikado Ketan empeswa so Jogate enso editudwa se
yetemeta court ozgopo lawyer punya court ya court e be sana bisu ana yiso court in the why like the the minister in office be o yiso that everything man can do o say the machines other be oil the minister kwa only other contractor only kwa ba into them minister can say about what a contractor, what we must understand is that a contractor is a certain number of years. So contract time in Austria, it to mean contracting but you can take it for a non-performance from the CCR, most assemblies.
Police ni bako a wokwa akɔhwɛ senka galamsey chi wo bɛbɔ ho ban na wo mu enam kwatikwan so to fam gudie no anka wo mu antumi entu ase kra ano abrase ɛwɔ ewu kukrom a eno ɛwɔ western of mantam nim na wo kyerɛ sɛ bra posifo ebo modern senka safo yi wo bɛti won no watimi akye won no ɛne sɛ galamsey amna yi bi posi ni yakwa kotomu a wahwere ne nkwan Augustin bo atwerɛsɛm efi western of mantam mu ɛna ɛbɔ samanie
Ena sa womo moye nsuomu adwuma yi tototofo yi sa na yefre omo omo bedi yempotemu ha ye si ena omo di omo dwuma ya pemu so so enti na me kwa fuom kra na me wo ho na odi kra wo suya no efre me se police fo aba ho no mo se on ba betu omo so sa nam so okay enti ewo mu a bi no san afre me o frame ya chese police for no on ba betu esa no sabi obaako atonsu no ma ba pem sa abra o de frame no o munhu no enti mintu amri camera ti me koya na chese domo egu ho no na nya asanketo a enti o mo ni adware eto o mo hogu mu o mo de fire service for nyina eba mu ema me no kasai omanhuno waye nyamedia epa cha ensuo no eso ensuo no so on se na se ensuo no so toto nti ayiri kakra na se de me nya no nte ye no omukoduru ho no se woni aye se aduma no oni nyina adwane nti ense no mo manage se on betwetwe niema no de aba kokwo so na de on be ye o maye ene se ono to mu a
galamsey honsem ya ena manhina owodwura empotemo awulai angamatu ajan enso ehwese anka ahemfo no de wom wo pɛ no pa se wom bɛyɛ wom fam de na anka galamsey no watumi aboatu ase na so ehu tumi no eni ahemfo no nsem enti na ya na akwakoba se ahemfo no wom tumi ka bi omunyaye a wom bɛboa na so tumi no eni wonsem
sɛde yɛbɛto nananom bo aye ni nsuo ho nananom person ka de na on betu ye nke no an le koso na susu no ye huni sa e can say ye mo ye tumi aye de besa ye wo no bi de ka taba o se bi fi verse ya mame concession ya mame permit se mame meye galamsey o bi san se ko on fa ka ta ma ti okra ese yakofa budos aba because on paying for grand grandpa na bro. So these are the area I want. And the media they make pattern say anano idea because anano yin clean yin yin edunu nye nemom dodo na pesa ka de on betu na nanom se de nanom di jawo sana ka bede si ano e manisa na ma pesa na
Badwam kase no we so ena me de AC afi Badwam dwumade no ahyase ade sa da bon krata ene de ekoso ewo online no na mobo so no ne chiremu kakra ena eno so edru so oman hene kwabena santane afia mankwata makro aye kradom pamcho me mamachen.
Well, achima no aye bibi on mo hwe kase ba ode abeya you know hwe se ayi galamsey ho nkomo ayedi illegal ma isi ento wada bi na ya approach no ebetu yenyina vese me ya show bi ase yenyina fa no kure anko antia sa galamsey ya ene de bia meka no oh obi kunu obi dihye obi papa obi wofa enti wo de hwe we kwan wa faso ahwe ne nkwa we occupational hazards na bi were avoidable hwe kwan a wa faso ahwe ne nkwa and there ya ne se ozi fo na nkasa be wohoro mo nsa ekosie ni wi asa Ghana be wohoro nsa esie ni wi asa aka ne yire ne mma ne na abusuafo omo ne omo ho be chia yam. And this is what we are all going through. Ye nyina ya tia die se yemfa ho enti eye obi ene ekina eye wo eye me. That's why say nyina ye yire ye ho no eye obi ene ufi say oye posting to oye far away from you. Wo ba ka kura no be duaduam na abusua tenten aba kan na wo fa bi no. Na o se wa bi kunu no na afi wo ba gi wani so say ade ne say afi de aben. E mane nka say eben dada. Na afi na eben dada. And so sad o. E kwanya ya fa so a ye tu ye nyoma bi ye nyoma bi wa no say. Very sad. Very, very sad.
Yes. Ba madrimu ye okay soja ni mahama no.
Yeah, very sad.
Say ya o.
You very painful. And oko, it's not a question of say ubetime nya kwanya bi kra amana sa sorry bi. Oko, enu na ya na ya no. Because the baby need 2 years and e was spare parts from here any spare parts. Ka quickly akwa echi na waba back no be na juma. But oko ye betwi nipa na so achi nipa na gum ade o makwafia ye say oko it is avoidable. And to what does ade ni bi na ya na meka na montiase say ade no ye siesia ye siesie se de be a ye nyina e binya sa ahoto no ene ahoto so no ma ye siesie se obi interest binti ekuo bi interest binti enye yeda hospital ko ye siesia ye siesie se o man ne ba bia a hospital obi a ebetima ye papa emu ni pe ye adwuma ho be hare omo na omo ma ye the services ahia eni pe omo so so sum adwuma bia wo ye bia wa be pie Ghana hanko ade. You need to show and demonstrate reasonable sacrifice for the country. Yes, adia. Ye yanko sa na ye kokoko sa o. Sa na eba. O man bi bia obi hu se ekoboni bia na ekochi obi a. Obi ehwe ma na ekochi. Obi a in minding our business no. Ye refi se oba minding business be we na kro na nkasa wa minding no. Abo edu business na akofo esika ba a odi abegu butum. O cars ni adan a wo pre a wo si asisi a wo sisi nipa ne ntro a wo twitwa. That dishonesty na wo demonstrate. Obeba no na kro na nkasa wo de betenem no. Na obi anim. Senasa illegal mining ha yemfu ye kanse ye kwaye ha ye nsuo tete yapo muden the strange disease kanena ebi ni oman mu kura na eba ni nyina obi asionka ni nyina obi asionka ohene te ho osonka century so akoye involved in illegal mining ti ontimi nka ye kwa aban mu ni wona wo position kwa ye momo chem so kura ye ko ru asofu mu a illegal mining no it is say pa no hefa ni ndwan nkotwa aje ya na to onye ka say enough of this ye ntoa so bi serious o ye ka na montiase a bo wa ni nyina de ye ntiase wo sutura agbran na sa ti mama acha mo akwa ba di edi kan ya kasa dada ba o soro adwene se o ye Ghana ni because ye adwene se ye Malifo eni ma ye ye adwene se ye Ethiopia fo ti kuro bi di Ghana ti ye ba ha be se ni wi a na ye ko ekuro na e free ho no Ethiopia ni Mali ni Senegal ni ye ko. It's shameful. Anopa we men your adwene say wo very shameful. The nimani de bia das ye keka nsema kese. Onim say di pay or illegal miner. Also affordable ekura na se hono no no yi chairman. Wa onim say or illegal. Yes aso so omuso kra saka. Onim say former gudie na otutia. Ono wa dehye. Also o ba for ye wa sorry wa. Ono na te front row a obey 20,000 ato. That's 20,000 ko favori. Aha de ye hu se oye kronfo kwa na. Aha de bo waba so. Ye hu se wo no oye kronfo. Ba ha de be bo waba so. Yeah, it's very painful. And then sorry ahodo nyina e de omo jimbu apayo na omo kata omo nifa because of sika. Onipa yankasa o te front seat on a wo no we am say mercy. Yeah, onyame wo mercy. But we don't encourage foolishness and stupidity. If you can Ghana bags, you know, for your head. O two phones by a tickle course and a pay. O dear, ya so and an give him the bay. Unquasso, Yamin Shroud. Yamin, eh, Lord Dina and I fight as because of about 12 years old. Hey, or the achokra, or the better Angaza. Only physical. What? They say when you say, I'm so cool basis. When you know 60, but okay, so Lady D, a chill mood.
Lady D,
Lady D about honey interest, a chill mood.
Oh, yes. On the Nechinum Kohadi,
on a Benapukia, a chill mood.
A banana size in Pacho. Hey,
what trap Benapukia?
Hey, Lordina,
and the quay, Lady.
Former first lady, don't go there. What came I mean, Chiano? Or ya dear for Fefe Mamma, well, all came. I mean, Chiano Musukatra, Lordina Mahama, former first morning. I mean, me not on your cassier. What dry ye, and then ho, you know, Yami a shroud. But before Lady Belcoso, Miss Row, or my here, or war was sa and my feet. Traditional area. Tetrete, Okua Mua Sechi, the second. So the weekend we na grow mo hokra nti na no pa mechiao woni wonananom ne mpanifo ya mehira mo pa adwuma wo ye wo ho no ya mehira o ne sede o ma panindie enkata wo so na wo no manfo nyina ka bom ya mehira o papa do ma hene so sa se na na ebobo ani do ma hene ai osagefo osi ade ayo agyeman bedu na no pa mechia opa na mi hira obebre ne ye wo ye de ma o manfo na mi hira ti lady to aso e be to aso adomonline.com na otumfo asante hene nana otumfo osai tutu ababiwa bijira hoso ye boni din a na yasa boye mu ase na ye mu achi ene se akwanti a otu ye nyame de nakọ abedu asumdwe mu enti rousing welcome for otumfo ehufoni ene da ha ya obedu ye oma na kwa abasronko a efe ewo wiem shagina bia obedu ho no enti eno so ho asem eno no na fi sabre ya akoya de na chese ball bo honsem enti honsem ba also the had himself say Otuado leaves out you brothers as he names strong Black Stars lineup against Nicaragua enti agronoform kila behula show na no asem bintinti eno so de da ha eno no and Parliament, so the Ecoso Honey, Ajoasa first powerful statement after bagging postgraduate diploma from University of Nottingham. And also okadomonline.com and Yokosianeho, and then the powerful statement after bagging graduate diploma from University of Nottingham. No, and also Ubewa de Kwa Ukosia and Sabudi. No, Fedia fa a year and Nijide Hon Samnon so. Musician Kirani Ayat calls out government for using assets of his Gouda music video to promote Ghana without his knowledge. It's not just say, Akwetiano, yeah, the 6 and 9 to Akasem and Sana Yibonibia Akoso Ede Amano Eti, and also Nedia and Nadia Ba local news na Yakan Wasemibino. I somewhat trial. We need to take strong stance against illegal mining. It is a strong stance no my on say kase bonim no ahemfo no say omunya openo a na so tumi ni nsem
yɛmfa ne sɛ tumi no wɔ aban sɛm a aban de tax force kɔ asogyafoɔ kɔ apolisifoɔ kɔ ɔmo nso ne nyinaa amfa amanyɔfoɔ na so gyina simpie so a wɔn sɛ mma yɛmmoa munyayɔ munye entisese paa no ensamafoɔ na abɛifoɔ bi na ɛyɛ galamsey wɔ Ghana
that's so no ma ehoyɛ wɔn no na ma ehoyɛ wɔn no nti
eti galamsey na ɛyɛ sunsun mu adeɛ sunsun mu fo bi na ɔmo kɔyɛ dem nipo na asa no boy me dey see adomonline.com pamto
man to sway na Ghanaian Times baby a me pesa me bobo pa na page 4 ho na was 100,000 men in near the breast campaign to fight breast cancer launched na ni nyina ne se me ma na nya se wumia keke so hu obabia na wumia keke demom ye do mo e fa training mu 100,000 na botaye ni nyina ne se October boso me ye bodawro afa kokrama to ema ene mema kakra bi
me ambassador e mo se we do mo invite
no what so what fiase
ejuma ya ye wa hanum pa no ejuma keto fa na breast cancer for more film na because juma ni pa ye me nua enam so ma yen sakra nya issues kakra because also omo ma omo chiro say we say ade no o tabre ni sa o wasa ho to na me o wasa ho nya say you careful nya say ejuma na wo ye me kan pa ejuma na wo ye wa ba na me gina ho ye anya ejuma keto me twe sa akono nyina atwetwere baabi because ye ejuma to wasa dokoro na pafo bi ama me chi o wasa dokoro na wia se ohu sa babi ewo mu a na o tu di panifo so ata se etinya se ye be mo akwanya ye be mo ntete me sere wadaroma be sere jebre e ya disua be 5 minutes so aba because baby am do na
o ba he se me ye lawyer ni ana me ye judge ni a kano pe me dia se mama me tin ama wa ko twere baby papa asabno enya statement ya o mai hey boy ese mema na ye mo fa training so unu aba so wo yire wo girlfriend bi wo ba bi active in this enya feeling keke na mom sa wo ye no wo detect se bia dwa bi edemu a enye normal dwa na wo no fo no mu dada but bi wo ho no bi akete bi demo a wo massage ye ni ye so wo ye ni ye nko na bi wo mu a wo be hu no nti ehun tete ya say ye de ebema ehun asem no pay 15 so speculation on Ghana's debt restructuring premature why na ka say IMF mpanifo and also de semi etudwa mampani adodonko akufo ado ko pay 16 hono mu a nkofo de hye fi won kro so ambassadors nom ne ade ya gendan e wo my Ghana mu enkro ahodo be Ghanaian Time de bokratai eguani mu ha say ye kwa asante mantamu so 12 excavators ene nei yache ana yaje afri adihye se yakwakwo chie ti galamse hu asem no ane ye ken asem kase da Ghanaian Times animo ha eye oil revenue o se Ghana backs $731.94 million half a year 2022 ye chemu a me say de aza ka twi nani ya za yate abre Ghanaian Times bokrata no ene de be mi hu ya na say ntia we scan way ntia hu asem Ghanaian Times they dey no pay Obama.
Okay, so quickly, the daily guide went to us. Court bounces Galamsey Queen 3 others again, and Shirley meets German counterpart. Big one, Lordina grabs cash from Nana, and Galamsey chief brother granted bail. Ekufuado receives 4 envoys. Daily graphics say gold firms begin sales to BOG, and land scarcity impedes Agenda 111 in Greater Accra. The Herald say $2 billion GMPC Gensa gas loot gets dirtier. Baumia's EMT denies involvement. Conflicted attachments parliamentary oversight responsibility turns charade. And more facts on presidential staffer's 100K one-day trip to the U.S. The Chronicle, I'll say, a father, the great, says visiting BNI is like going into a virgin's hole. And what's the new crusading guide. Ghana IMF $3 billion loan talks. DSA report to determine country's debt restructuring, says fund, and support MMDCs in Galamsey fight, Elembele. DC edges, and then NDC member draws dagger against Ashanti regional executives. And what's under the new crusading guidance. So they did it all, and then we try to wrap up.
The whole way not to say Professor Wallace Ebebe, and I say Kedua Bebe, not to say Fatawo Ishaku scores the bat goal as Black Stars record narrow win over Nicaragua. And a government to face difficult refinancing options in replying maturing T-bill report. Enti ni nyina ko wie de na o kasisia no Aisha one trial and then so abubo so anti yenyensi ha na chese de ebekọ akosie bia no ye wo Ghana enti o ma hie my joy no de em say hayana
okay
so because no one is my womb do na fa Aisha one
ti fa epon
enti me de ye pon no na chese ko so ahye Adom TV ukra de otia ye bia wadwuma a wo ye no nsuo tei utimi da eti o da no na wo hwa Adom TV ye wo ho ma o se ye besomon fi se ye wadzo ye enti ye de si ha na na ekuada agokansie no ebeba afei so ahosepe beba efisem beba na pensem mu enso aba enti Giovanni Ampoma Chumasi my dear happy birthday to you and then o keji oho o papa Chumasi se me kan cho se ododododo Neti anyame do che no erade mo onenyi na be soso abama no nti Giovanni happy birthday to you I wish you well abrabo mate papa Chumesi say odo pa nti obi bia won so ene ya wawoda no happy birthday to you yeba
by Adom TV so Adom TV so between media so there we can see Senpai Sakena no pen so jam within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Alregina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messim Kunya Econo Quantum Coding Small and Sakena no pen so our Ghana goodium and so ejao channel so mama say you makuni miensa omna bom schedule men and open so you then common eba one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakaba bet there and it has more change so try before na wedding before them question as a kwa yama boys any more financial freedom no one expert more than that's all the gym but bet with money that you can afford to lose ika ira enya oya no eno na the try bet betia boa me nyina yasum etua dwen je fast semester do infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chiwa do proper wakrawa no mrebo ma otimi di nchine ko eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mo sabetia ka bi Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel Mount Kebia no so betia boa ya odi bia odi fi pampas be pem na ase no etu ase preparation bomb apom don sam so timi toyie okotema enye na ashama may market so sabetia kabi obetia from 0208986731 na on Sedimo gel and roll on yan hwetwe enkomo ye sha ase asu YouTube se commentator obeti na meka no pe anka odinti be bodam so watwi bi enya dem kitwa kwa no so de commentary no se na never easy but Coach Otuado and Kita, the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana, performance na for can see we the assignment see you and you care for your Brazil. Coach Otuado say Western Mexico so impressed with a performance. Players by na on modernity.
Satisfied with our style of play. We controlled the game. Mostly we created a lot of chances. I just had a look at it. We had like in the first half 8 good chances. Second half also 9, almost 10 good chances, and in all like 6, 7 very good chances. So the only thing you have to criticize is the using of the chances. So we have to score more. This is clearly what we have to where we have to improve. But the rest was very good. We had a very good rest defense. Didn't allow any counters or any chances for the opponent. I think there was one corner. So with the game as such, I'm satisfied, but surely we have to score more goals. Everything from what I saw, what we trained worked well, just as we have to score. So I like the runs behind the defensive line. I like the passes in between the lines. I like the turns up. I like the body position. So a lot of very, very good things. And
Coach Otuado of Western Mexico, so Germany for Church of Pentecost Deacon, and our tenant council didn't come 8 years to Jan. But you come, you know, or say what the performance no, you know, Black Stars are ready for the 2022 Qatar World Cup.
Everybody's ready. I think we qualified. That's why we deserve to be there, and we will give everything. Ghana has proven in the past that we are a team. We are a tournament team, and surely I know that we have to improve. But
Inti ni eba no na ukuma hwese na setan esie kwa se wa bi efe ne konkon eba na se enkwala ni fie enkwala wa but eba na enkwala ni fie mpenfo na ebo inti former minister for youth and sports NDC penso ono abo Adwin Nina TV Van der Poel enso de nkomo hakati ansa ba se we de Oslo to ado a yeko okapidi on select the best nyese bia amanfo aso hwehwehwe nti ne bi so hwe so mbeda bi so hwe so mbechia na nanom nyese bia omhyeda bisi akanti on fa correct placer on betu agina mu yi ama Blasters.
We must tell the handlers of our national team that I'm done asking my it is not about having a team called Blasters. It's about genuinely picking the people who will do well for this country. There's a little that we need to be able to go through, and I'm sure when we do the right things.
Edwin Nina TV Van der Poel kan so afọ na ohwa gude ne mabu no so na atene camera hye bedwem se ono so aprubi ede agu ho no na yakomu bio no enra asema awia kete emra na awia kataban bo nkran ha yete ne se eye coach a ne din Samuel Bodu has of full head coach watintim ne nsem de gu nkrata so akogya mpemfo se so far de ohwese na setan si kwado ndo afotegare wontimi ntwa so bio emmo adwuma se head coach mfa mo bio ntintantum oni o maton kwanta pai na omoton kwanta pai na yesi ntufu no apijafo ne ho ene nti coach Samuel Ninoy ono na mpemfo aton sade afan se omwa na on take over nti na ono na take over na me adoma ne makofa bonfita bi afi Holland aba ebi ono so betia san to so sa batenti ya yetete ene se wanhwe asena ne ma esi ekoso no na se Dr. Prosper Netugum ono wanhwe adan koma bi mpemfo ebe ma no abeye hasofufo wo head coach.
Ene na be de chire Hamza Mohammed ene goalkeeper trainer Eric Amponsa eja adwuma ye no Heart of Folk oman tiana oman na 20 coach Samuel Ninoy one na be de chire Benjamin Mensa edi mrante nanimu a pobiman bebi a mrante nsiesie omo ho no omo giago pamaso a omo tete omo pom sene ne nkrata ne tie no omo so owura Samuel Bodu omo da nase nema bi obeye bia omo ni so na sabre die womo Heart of Folk omo ko omo nim sene ebe ya kensi ahudu no omo gira omo na so asi ni ye ne ti
nti na se Samuel Bodu ene Heart of Folk at team nti eno kuma aba no kotokofo aka kye nyame adom ne omo bo one outstanding game ho me ne o ka say Patrick Osajman Kantima Sungu we in charge of air matches or honoma or boa na akensi we ebe match day 2 akotoko airbo but we omo akensi na keso mo bon match day 1
to give you assurance and our support that we are with you through thick and thin. You have lost. It is football. Kadiogo, we've had that experience before. I was at the stadium in 1979. We beat them 1-0 over there. They came here, they beat us 1-0, and we lost on penalties. It is the same thing that has happened. And that time we had great players like Razak and Pokwe Free and all of them. Names that, carry weight, Kukudazi and all of them. We lost. So it is football. You have lost. Don't worry too much about it. I'm here just to give you the motivation.
Se kwadwo Boateng Jamfi board member de makotoko na uhun se ono so de nkomo age na medisia na madawase na masan chia opi hye no so mam se one expert om the touch de boy e mede dwumedi ba je fast message do boy dwuma set tete mansan ke be boa said the more gel and roll on wom so ese yawde bia etu ase mansan ke bi na mu a e ma nema entity yimfa mo madama wom na bo ba chido mena no pensu de nkoma wodo ensa kan wo kensi mu netimi jawo within the Enoch kwasi walanyo wala sakudi catch back openya mi adoma na wi anso ye de prem to the sports meba na no chi no ye besa the fire for fire anso etiansa bre raden ka ho until the man if you been that so ni fanko been that so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Yada sepa sabo akwa babie me Adom TV bedwam na ohye no sister Sandy be a guy oni akafo de ahosepe na brain nso no gugu nti wanya careful pa anwa obeti wani na bottle of nso na yo safe na abono nsia sorry se adwuma bi wo ho e wo so ya sorry na ye ntesa akwadro ne ani hade no ho dimu a wason be ye hye wo kwa adwuma kra na da se no wankro ti aso obi a sorry keka no ho ye adwuma se be abenya kakra e de ato wata so na de ahwe ho eni agusia yada sibium se wo Adom TV or Facebook/Adom TV enkomo we hu hia me ye pa ma cheche fo mo hefa me ye hye so obi ade no ho agimo ebi fi se ye National Teachers Council won mo abasobode ya won de ahyehye so eni ye ba bedi ho enkomo Ghana Teacher Prize ho enkomo e wo ha enti me wo ora Dennis osei owusu ewa ha ena Mr. Samoa aha ba ko na mrefi Ernest they were Mr. Ernest Samoa ena Dennis osei owusu penifo mu akwaba na bibi aboko de yo yeda mo asepa ne sa abasobode ya mo acheche last year ye bedi da no ye kan da no pa na me say program no be koso osunya ne anase aha nti this year asa babie mu a chechefo nyame hira mo modoso pa ka we kura se nkeni kwa se ye hyeda ye ibia se ocheche ni bia ne ye chemade enye bete ya ka se ye kire ye ma de kura ne ye buafu ti se wo kire nkura be 16 class 40 30 enye bete ti ye chichafo mo nkwaso nyame hira mo papa pa enti mama brief history Mr. Samoa about Ghana Teacher Prize.
Yo, Ghana Teacher Prize no ene abasobode a ye ma teacher for. Na kane no mpo na ye frɛ no World Teachers Day. Na the background is say in fact the teach you pa na say pese a teacher for e bom abaso. And about yabaso. Say be ya the way we teach, a bit motivating, make me perform the best in the classroom. Na, enunchino, if she say bibi say you'd be a teacher for abaso. Na so sure can no be 80s, 70s, ni 80s no mono. Especially in Ghana, who say na abrabon my din kakra, ma teacher for be brave to kwan call Nigeria, especially. Enti akoba na sa no na che say ama friends saying parents mpo atoba ha na nkankan po ne say yesan so pam teacher for san ba Ghana na yese abrabo no ma din pa na emma ade kire enye enika bio enti na che say e wo say intentem na fa kwan bi so a ebema aye lucrative na fa ama teacher for nso ani agi na etimi nso akira de ye nti na je say kakra metimi aka fa ho no
ene ye pa na teacher for bebre emro oro se wusu be dey criteria be kwa be na mo fa so amode ye selection no
okay medo asemeni aba de omuni se sani o kana teacher for o Ghana obia deserve abasobo anything in our own small way say parents individuals obia no unya kwanya na wada teacher ni ase na de kakra ho ene se kasa ye go teacher for nyina abaso a competition kra nya de be say okay mo do teachers dey e nyina ma teacher for no nyina obia kwaje bibia ebe ye enu nti no emre bi atwam nanka ye bie to o se o ye mfa teacher for mra na ye mo mabaso a district na na yiyi na ade na eba na sese de ewiase ne konanim ye wo global standards and say ye bie portal oju hu di say o ye best teacher fa wadwuma wa ye no be kire ye na ye mpetim no mo so mra me de be e me hwehwe mu na no achi no ye wo nipakuo bi a te say bia wankasa community na otim no wadwuma so mani on betimi kwa apply on your behalf edi wadwuma nyina abeche o school na betimi ayi waba enti afie no aye easy enko ye say ye hwe wadwuma bi a wo ye na de ayi na mom wa wudwu hudi se me jimi hudi sa afie a teacher for abasobode me na me pese meji yes obetumi akọ na akọ apply enti ade aye edu wa ye send messages me teachers o ma register on our portal nyina ebi nye ba o ma register on our portal ne de ye send obi SMS o dwu hudi se wadwuma so ani a ko ne ko apply
enti ene emrening tia
okay no problem
facha me pa enti wanna qualify say you know sasamwa
teacher ni bia so private school so public school
okay
na so you hu din kwa na fin so so kira de e wo pre-tertiary
okay
so university for count do so pa
hey ne wa qualify there
na
is
all qualify it should be 5 years in the system
okay
and you say bia we teacher ni no about much there continuously for 5 years our evidence to show near ma wa ye
afin so no kakra meka kan say e wo say we ye teacher ni a we free at Tibia say training college of education na afin so wo license ɛno so ɛka when na kyerɛ sɛ we teacher ni mapa
sa nti yɛn hwɛ de teacher unions no mo role a mo play war Ghana Teacher Prize yi.
Sɛ me Ghana National Association of Teachers yi de na kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ directly pa de NTC na Ghana Education Service na omohwe National Teaching Council. Na teacher unions no ne wo mu ne se nkaka ne Ghana National Association of Teachers amedom no ye boa NTC ewo akwanese nyina so ebi ne se ye launching kra no ye in hall bedi akon hall magnificent bedi akon hall ye de ma NTC momo ye launching no for free bi nso so ne se ye Ghana Teacher Prize nso Tamale no so no General Secretary ne President ayese omo so ebeboa ebi say e we scafem na me fan say last year kra no Dennis na wa hey eboa on scafem aha de me fan to bia
ba mo boa
omo e wo kwani asa na afi nso kra no teacher for nso so ya organize in service training ma teacher for say be ya omo betimi a sharpen omo skills na sa akwanya ba omo timi etimi akumbi
enti mama hwe edi enti na wo hwa asa Teacher Prize award ti wo se hia ye se yedi
sane udi kankan no se teacher for ye ka se ye bo maba so a ye njaida because the bia no bibi foforo etodwa so obeka ya 2020 ye nyina ye okroma ya na ya de bia ye nim ni ti baaye and a breaking school for just 10 months. Seeing any parents is soon now musu. Obia person on my uncle school. It tells you say now Obia saw the how bread teacher for. So it tells you say Obia unimu no nya ba now wabadaye titino per se o managina baby no you fit for purpose no. Such a person didn't say anka emre bidwini abo abase beka se afie kra de maso covid ni more than pa but that year no we still organize the awards for teachers.
Nyamishra munti this year no ebeko so he say na event no.
Okay, afie ye event no e watamale. Okay. Ye wo the main event which was on the 5th now president. 5th of October. Wednesday, yes. Okay. Wednesday internet and then our chance man making the president of the republic na the guest of honor for the event. And ye be no was UDS, but proud to the main event no. Organize symposium and exhibition. Exhibition here is so lovely because mo frana ye che o made no na teacher fo ni bi niam a o ma ye o mo ba no ma ba exhibit na symposium no so no ebi teachers na ya nominate o mo no o mo ba be che kwan a o mo fa so o mo dru ho ye be no eno no wo Modern City Hotel or Tamale. But main event in the eno year from 3rd and 4th which is Monday, Tuesday
no. Then
Wednesday no. Near main event no UDS multipurpose hall.
Okay. And then no. And I besa hye mokena. Brebe na ehase.
Ebra ehase no program no symposium and exhibition no 8 a.m. pepe na ehase. But the main event no dey 9 o'clock. Na you live on Joy News. And multimedia phones so fan live.
Afa yenso ye famu de no no. Nyamishra mo na social media platforms no so
we are using all the
fo nyina ntime ma hokora obetimi ahwe bi.
Ewo mo ho. Obetimi abeho NTC ho. Obetimi abeho all the teacher unions platform. Ho nyina ye de be gu ho no.
Sa nyamishra mo. Na ye bompa ya afeda se nkwa hode wo ho a enye ye ntirem na bebre nya bi. Achechefo ne bre. Titi wo nkronkuma ne de. Akasiye mu bre nti nkuma mfo de ne omonyo nyamishra tie fancy ha eda mase papa ora Dennis usu ose usu ene ora asamwa idi ba kuna na ya na mrefi
Ernest
eda na ya mrefi meda mase papa
sister Sandy ba
mimi ye sister Sandy
okay all right
so ushia no
mi difference no ampa
so no na adwe no ti mimi de me Asani donya papa we all over TikTok who is here and say no me mpanifo ya wie ma me nkombra apomuden nkomo we hu hia me pa childhood cancer unim say busumi we nso ye bo ho dewo ma me nkombra na ye nisa nkomo no Samu akwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na o hwe na fisem komo na yedi na no pay baby a yedro no na maka no na before then no happy birthday Isaac Donko we your cameraman oboase one Isaac no manyo adwumanti happy birthday enko ema Isaac Donko nyame show onye okese kosi se obeye kese pa na efa yedru so se the medical catcher dada no childhood cancer enkra akokram ehawo mo ho enkomonie me nua be ma Emmanuel amankwa ewa ha data manager world childhood cancer aha na fe Faustina Mwako medofo papa bi pediatric oncology nurse wo Kolebu Teaching Hospital many omumi enu die ye wi abata mumi entie ne ye ebre ni ti wunya ho abra Facebook/Adom TV netie wanya ho so kra na wo ko yen Facebook ni YouTube abenya kwa etie san komo we hia me ye abatan awofo mumi entie childhood cancer no kra akokram ehawo mo eho enkomo adofo mmakwaba na bibia bokode ede nyame asem ho efenso wo ya de ede da uba mugusoa ebo ede emmaye they say no me fan free oncology nurse yo yeah childhood cancer common ewo mai mu
mpacho you common pa common because for the past you can say 3 months new cases bibri Kolebu
to ages
from 0 to 19 years
the childhood cancer which one cancer bia
nti yawo cancer ye mufra kokora me ye mufra ye woni ye omani ne ye woni ye omumujemu amudompe mu omu kidney amu liver nti edoso
nkura sa no
sa
0 to 19 erade hu ya mobo na onye free meba data ho tanti mema ho nyam ho abotre kaka mfama for simame na ye beto aso ede na de sa enkura de yiba cancer sahudwe
cancer no ankasa no empanyimfo ana sa enkwara no ye nim ne ede ba ye nim ne ede ba na ye wo bibi a friend predisposing factors say bibi a woni say oya ana unya obetimi enya cancer nti den ne sa enieme yi ufa eduro bia is not prescribed ukofa ubetimi enya cancer no ina pesticides eno so etimi predispose wo ma wonya cancer
ina na woken
patron ina infection then can say HIV and hepatitis B sabo friend nye bi eno so ebetimi predispose no ina efe ye wo hereditary ne chere se ba ne sa abofra ne maame ana ne papa na se we busu ani mu a onu so betimi enya but enu no percentage ne very low be say 5% sa in a radiation so we expose who to race enu so betimi enya aho no meka mu kakra race no won so obi wo ho a bia oyare yese koye x-ray yese o me koye a yese menya cancer there bi enu yese predispose who emanu for a very long time enu so betimi
enya bi te se wo de ba yasetene mu daada ye bi te se the apart from x-ray there no o hwe bi te se dey
to say yen can say sun rays and also sign so betimi but it is not well established sana a book
in na po asena
po na asena so and also high tension po and also say emit rays I no so betimi ama wenya cancer and also so amoye research e wo ho nti and also it is not well established
nti what about cancers be force they na common pa
nti common ones ne leukemia cancer of the blood ena yewo retinoblastoma ne ye eni ena yewo Beckett lymphoma no
me di de nsonya de pakra Beckett de
Beckett lymphoma
already we are mobile
Beckett lymphoma no yewo bibi wo ye sister friend in lymph nodes a fight against infection cancer ne etimi koche ho ena yewo Worms tumor no eno no eche o kidney so these are the 4 common cancers but however we have others to say rhabdomyosarcoma and no tissue no mazes na etimiche no ene ewo osteosarcoma no bone etimiche ansa na ewo brain tumors
amemra Ibrahim ho no fe enko data no mu ti di antifor kika data no share say
no crese se na me sister di kan aka no
so what cancer ayi na sha wanu yi
mpacha ade a ekosoro pa
okay
na medical answer na me ba questions medical aka bi kakra fa yekuo no ho ya ye adwumakuo we child cancer ho adwumakuo a the leading childhood cancer organization one fa say we asia fa na nyina na Ghana ha de edi mutintimai pa yeti koi afi 2007 na ye ba Ghana de edi be 10 years ni ene ye ba Ghana na ye ba na ye wo two oncologists pediatric oncologists mienu pe ne mienu pe na wo the whole Ghana eti ye dwuma ko ni ye needs assessment say I see a training e bi ka ho eti ye fa ne ma nan a ye gina so a ye na ye de champion sa ade we yes improving treatment. How can we improve treatment? Yeah, better you need a doctor for baby a bit me ashe. And you see early detection. You who in time you bet me a on term. And you bet me a boy a wolf also. No tomu mon diagnosis ni BBI about Badwam and advocacy send ya. Eti afi we nko afiti January e ko pem June. Kolebunu konfanoche ko ya hwe nkwala a little over 200. Just half year per a little over 200. Now Fibia is estimated is about 1,400. Kala Ghana for Kala Moyare, Kokram. Then so I think be we no Kolebunu Confanochi, yeah, honey full scale treatment, you know. Yeah, be a 450, be a 57%. Eti the akano omo hefa. Ebi krampa be near 40%. Imi no. It's about 1,400 baby now we try your monty ade ne kan ana mo hu se bibi mpo se e wo ho no enti bosumi bia na afi bia ye bosumi e to so nkron no ye fatu ye ho se be bo sa dawru wi ya ka kire Ghana ne wiase afa na gina se sa le wo ho na ne susuanso ni e bi na ye nua ba na ekeka no hu a entamara na ade aba ti se nyame adom aban no e de 4 no di ka bo common 4 no o de ato NHIS wa maye enti no ye ni excuse bia say ye ma fa kwala na ma hospital ana ya mi ado ye so we child cancer so ye boa etondro ye ma transport we no kai obi say on timi ba just ye ma this cancer na dey what you have follow up treatment enti ye boa enti na awofo no ntia se no mo wa yen mo fa kwala no emra
ya da mo se nyame hira mo enti ye na bra yi me ka ni say na che say se ye hu ne ntam a yetimi kie wana
pa chon etimi cure you 80% cure okay say you hu ntema
sa my signs and symptoms ni bi kakra say be ya you hu bibia
okay nti so obetimi ehu abufra bi wo ho obon say na bibi fite bi abeda nani so eye panyi e beka say wanya ete na say wanya cataract mufra no eno no enye cataract eye betimi aye retinoblastoma no de naba obon say na nani no so na epu onino ahun ana na discharge abufra bi so wo obon say osori anopa na o se nani su chin no no ofe onyem but obo no ofe ebi so wo ho a bibi kakra twa na obo moja betu ne saa so enipa kokwa obo say na ade black bi ade tuntun bi ededa ne ho na kire say oblidi wo ni skin no ina ebi so wo ho a onidi obo na wa ehwia wo hwe nani ase a oni moja ina ebi so wo ha obosa na bibi ahon no ebi ane kon ho ni ti ho anasa ne yam obi so katimi ka se ni dompemu eye ne ya ne ho obi so wa ne ho be hye na otwe mienu echi wo de ne call hospital ebi ane ye treat for malaria ye treat for bronchopneumonia but still na fever no e wo ho sa anti sansunsanso hu a ye pacho mamu fant na fie mu momodin somebody ne be ko ayaresabia na hwe
Yadamwase pa. Nti say major treatment no so ehina ya etakoso.
Si idea nyame adom yenya ba kwa be kan ye rage.
Okay.
Ba kwa be kan ho aye say rage for so treatment, full treatment. Nti say we rage e kolebu ena ye wo kofanochi.
Okay. Ye bompa ye say northern ho ye tamale so be nyo.
Tamale for so omoye ba omonye full scale treatment. Sa na agogo so ene Holy Family omo nyina omo ye kakra ho so ye kakra ba mutimi nya full scale
okay ene anope ye mfa mu nsi ha ye da mo asepa me sure say and then the Omatini or Mashi, you betu Huanamo, I mean Shermo. Auntie Faustina Mwakona for Emmanuel, Amakwa, and I yet woman come from World Child Cancer Group. Ye border with September Busumimu. I will for about time. You wouldn't be a yanka baby, teach you one crown of film. And one more contamoa, you bet me a cure. A call later, na yet. Mummy and Shannon, Medasa Sawaja to Musa. I mean, Kratui, ye bar. That was so. Yada siya Samuel kwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na Ocean Pastor Dan agene dwada dantino nso ogugu yi woto ka mu koya wo hwe Facebook nya driver no wa wote nche ni tie ni ye na beboa obi story ede ya be fa ye ho ebi ana ebi koso wo fie nti ye hunu ne ntama na chese ya sha no entem na ni nyina no eye awafo mienu bia omo ye so busy be ma ye banka ena oba no eye medical doctor omo worry for 7 good years eni eba enya emmemu na wo hwe banka na wo hwe doctor wo se fie ho no adaje ni poso anopo bia ye se obia keka no ho so omo be kode aba be man kra de wo se bo no humodin hwe se ne second degree so obetumi aye oba no ye adwuma wo teaching hospital no ebi na ja boluku so e wo South Interest so kuma sebe ya na de so omo beta hia edi nkomo omadi nkomo bia be 2 hours bi ese ne eno kra no omonya time kra edi nkomo enu no a whole week no be 2 hours bi na enemu kra de emfanka ho because tama bema oba aye ready no bema ekọ tama bema aye ready no be ekọ nti na hono kra no ba it say obi aye comfortable aye so my comfortable but according to oba na oye medical doctor no ohuru ne say enye normal ebia obi aye din but who say enie man sheda enkokoso yie sa na say problem no ne say omunyanya eba 7 years ni o na se baba mu a banker and a medical doctor kwa be no mbe fa so amanage no omuhunu se odo no so ya ate asa omo adadwuma no asene won mo do no won mo busua se awo famu nso no obi any problem de ye nim se bia busy no so kra ka hu nti kra na ama awo 7 years ni kra ema ye no a oba no de abedan ye Pastor Dan wa ye life coach idie wada roma wana abetumi aboa papa ya mo ache mo akwa aba Medasia ye wo de ese de bia mihia wo mabrabo mu mihia wa no pa ese wo de gu mitintimi na mana mitimi am dedede emi se wo ba ni ntia se wo de kala bia wo ni mini
ofe kala we ya de ohima asem e de bo abrabo
ne na mitimedwam
nti ema ade a eye ahima asem ne se wo kotra konwa so pese but the idea friend is splendor, glory, gracefulness at the back of Brabo. It fits you. It's so beautiful.
Meda say fabric center and fabric nibia.
Wow.
Inti obia winning fabric center. Ai wona Martina as mama so mama fabric e ti say ya e ma oyo ohima. Inti wo pese oyo ohima wo bia wo bia fabric center. Martina Rollins Park opposite China Mall hona obenya bi. Meda say.
Yamisha.
Ene minu aba na kwesem
on say Edebia make say when a purpose of a thing is lost, abuse is inevitable. The make can say but I enti aye ade bi you really feel one obi ayam from so. And the same question is business the didn't no worry. Our area will hold for 3 things. 1, union yen kabom. 2, partnership. Oh, mene wo share boom ama dwumedi bia na botai bi esi ene so. And 3, companionship. Sese mo yonko bi. Mo yonko bi a wo ise ne abenka sa abre pan ka betumi a komienu anko adwuma.
Sa.
Nka wo mamu ka che o boss e ne wa call sick home.
Sa.
Na nka wo dey just imagine. Na no pay pa why breakfast papa bi.
Hot one.
Wo dundum phone so kakra.
Sa.
No wa hwese na nyankopon na debo fefa. Ya maye hunu se aware for companionship. de bia ya adwene ye say ye chesi bibia menya bibia na be ma obedome anase mitimi achieve bibia and be ma ye man no we are away from so kese bebre because 7 years aware bia hase aware no stages BSFM sabre na esa nka mo build enema bia ye fapema aware no nto aso na sabre ya mo ese to fapem no obi aye na ade nti aware ni fapem bio omi no aware no eni fapem it has no foundation nti bibi to obi a enye ya they don't feel it because obi a wan agenda or pursue aware ni kwan say yes sir obai so betumi asolve problem na yen hwe senti aye ware ne emra fom ne yen ntum se ye wo ayonkofa bi asisi ekom de bia meka so be ware obi a oye wadamfo enti kai say ye kan ho abom se ye me ene wo enye wo o se sia no o ma bra bona ko say obi about life but we are together, fellows in a ship ayonkofa ye mienu enti ye wo se ye ba nu ne adwene bom ne to so mienu ese ye wo se ye partnership bi ne to so mien se ye wo se ye companionship bi sa na mane ni mien se ni ho enti die na sese ye one ne kunu ntrase awon brase kwam men kofa o approach problem we are men approach no by accusation no sweetie ya worry be 7 years I think say I am rekakra me gidi ye say timi trase ni aye bu nkompo hwe yachi see ya worry no emfa na ye de adu na emfa na ye wo na de na ebetim de atoaso ne ekoso no sa na ye pe no ana and your friend auditing a marriage. A friend auditing a marriage. Into what trust is anwa? Ampo adwa. Asmo ka mentas nhwe you. Enema bu okwa fa ho so ma dwen koso. Mira, me gidi ye say a bread do say yenya adaje maya. Then you introduce that. Enti adaje maya ho no de ne ebeye. De ne de sisi ho. Obi aye busy. Nso obi atimi nya adaje. Bia ye busy but bia president go adaje o sir no no ko show man so timi adaje enti mo bia nka se adaje no adaje o enti na afi ye hunu se aware na betimi agina ye nya de amenu mienu ye gidie ene odo no betimi akoso enti ye man kitawudi mapa emra hentem anopa bia no osori bia nka betimi how do you greet your wife, how do you greet your husband? Did you smile towards him? A little thing so. Also, I know what's reaction. How are you? Minkada mi rim bisam say what is that. So dem na dam baso. Oh, now so your bema with to me. Nka no me na took it to bi no adoko.
Oh, touch it. Who feel it?
Ne feel it keke.
Oh, say ni nyina e wo mote.
Obi peka say what? Affection is key. And I said baby just tap and I said rub. Let the person feel say.
Oh, be.
Yeah. Sir. It's that we can you, but we are happen. What's yes, what's the language be? Into and I said be something you do. Sometimes it can be around their arms. And maybe the back be and mama papa watch you, mama.
Peg be.
That's it. Trying to show papa young quine.
And also, I know just what you choose, you know, penny and you make.
You who are me shuffle this at him so bad. I dare young penny member, and never young penny said. I didn't say. I didn't say. Let's see this. Come kind, come kind of cute baby. Can I go my sume? Make a John Saba. Remember, Pessadia, look. I bet you because it's here. Yeah. Oh, I drew the actual. So what am I trying to say? Yeah, we know what we need to do at relevant times. Young build trust. Young build affection amongst ourselves. We can build it. And number 3, young share say a bit me chair. Okay. One will say, oh yeah, my dear, na say, me affection for you. So I'll done me no. I say you force me na my head. Number 4, young cut off from friends kakra. Oh, see, ma ayonkufa eje yemre ni adaje ntino ni de bi obo ha oni adaje ma na yirubo na adaje ma na 4. Number 5, young cut off from family kakra. Ye hunu say ye wo your friend say a home to take care of. na face yɛnte ase sɛ awade nyame ye adom ne nya ba frima e nhyade nti yɛnya adagye ne yɛnyi ho adwuma yi na bɛboa
saa nti ne korakora mu no ɔmo mienu no de wakekan nyinaa akyi adwuma no na ɛwɔ so ɔmo akyikyekye mu
ɔn sɛ de tie bia no ɔmo anefa extra no toss am just say ɔmo anka so more financial problems ɔmo unmi ai ɛwɔ sa dem ɔmo adwe ɔmo sɛ ɔmo timi nye sika it means they have arrived no ɔba bia be catch you say enye sika dem aware hede sika wom but obu ho a minimo bia wɔ sika bebre ofin so ne ani yes ye wɔ ade bi obetimi ayema ani gia ba sika de ba eno so ye but me ama priority no nko say menye sika ma ware nbe yi da bi unwie no ware
da bi oba chire na asai
ebu okwa na oma obepe sika na we na ma asai
afi sika no
yes oni hwan na ebedie nti yenya daje first things first hwe odo yire a na wo yi odo de kire na nyame kura hira ompa bo konkan obi bia kokama wo dey just imagine say anope sanka we ba wo service ukunu yi pa o dey need you praise the Lord sa na de kwadwo
bibia be si ni ye
sa nti o ba fie no o ye ntam ba fie because onim so obi do me
papa bi wo fie
let's make the home happy
comfortable
yeah na sadia eni je betre fie de bia
sa we dey apono na ade amaye no enye de bia ni
bi
no matter the challenges
oh me ya pray ho dodo ene me hu ne pe bi wa pray no wa no agya ho ana me ya wo wa pray no bo no de onya ni na wa agya ho obi de be di ama
sa
let's have time for ourselves. Love is beautiful. Me Jesus Christ me who the best thing that happened to my life. See me share me. Again me share.
Amen.
28 years.
Cool.
October 9th, I'm worried 28 years.
Wow, I idea.
Na manage. I'm a happy person.
Show when him.
I'm a happy person. Yes, about. Coming to me, coming to me that. Because it must start from home. You see, charity begins at home. Build the home well. We understand there. Nyame adobe baoso. Me manipa measurement or measure at abonten enu ko etrim. Emfa ko fie. There be enu ntra abonten. Wunya adaje mo fie a ebefe.
Papa my number no na me sure say me nua bi e hwa ohia kakra dia so ne dia so.
Mesma ansa mesra mo bia nkasa menu ho sem ware. Mesra. O bie wa no kasa. O po aware no. Na de ma Satan. Fane say mo won social aware mu. E de boa me a metimi aso. Me number is 0249 805747. 0249 805747. Send me message, send me audio, whatever. Me transcript do fear many adaje akani na nyama response. Yamisha.
Yamisha Pastor Dan Sopa, my happy birthday Isaac Donko. Cameraman wo boase. Happy birthday Yamisha onyo kese. Mama na sponsors yes. Enyo mu anka nkomo de day nyina kan tumi ama St Andrew Senior High School. Awofo abatan yemfa ye ma no enkoho sanso na Kel Kits toothpaste nkura de atwehwe obasia lopa ene enumre na fe Kidi Ministry of Nso. Akra osi woni die Manikidi Ministry of ni binom no ni di ma no ni fine fe Piwak Natural Health omodro 3P garlic mixture na make comfort day amount edim dia garlic ye ene aye ni juice a ye ton to ko pharmacy shops ne herbal shops a obenya bisanyu makoyi ene ka me ho ball mu e ma metime de afisem nkomo yi ebro ye do mo asemo a mo hwe Facebook nyame hwe mo wo fie mu offices nyame hwe mo nyina me di de afia amankwa tamaklo o ma hine kwabna sante aye krado mashase beba so 11:30 am Adom TV nya brema teacher kwadwo na nashase one ye enhye o ma hine ne mpanifo aye krado yeda se.
Well, Yasaba, Yadamu Yamasi, Toy Common so Adam say, and pay a chow so Kosoji Bedroom on Adom TV, multi TV. So my main cow said the NTS Kosoye a proud Ghanaian, and it says it's also exhibiting these qualities: patriotism, love for your country, and have a truthfulness, transparency, and honesty. And no ma Ghana, a we pay on a demo precopenso intikai or the social interior Badwam. So help me God. Afe I have on so quickly. Ade ni monyam shebra hafo. Ede kan kobra hafo. Ede mpuntu bra hafo. And no na oye dish ya free hafo. Be a proud Ahafonian. Nti udi show me Alex Badwam. Now they are twaso oboshe nyina say the idea ni nkunu bre hafo no na abedi anamo. Na fe under the able leadership of George Boache, supported by the Lieutenant in Almighty Frida Prempe, Wisdom Port, Alaji Collins, Dauda, a potential presidential candidate, Eric Opoku, Samson, Dr. Benjamin, and Afi, Irabano, Muninano, Damasi, Ensa. Wawa for Sassi should be a proud Ahafonian, so important. So, but yes, so yeah, for me. Dr. Fonso Onwo Asafo Boache Hospital, Kumasi Asafo Boache Hospital. Yachamo mo uniqueness there. Yentimi enkanwa semene. Inti edamasi Asafo Boache Specialist Hospital. Kumasi yachamo ina so no pay. Pay fortunately. Chief Baini onhiasi ebeda na diwa an mi say ono ya na ashasi ya bedu sam pempenso ya ene ya no penso wajebre abeka ye ho ewa ha no say Chief quickly akwa baba minim still vying for the real deal, the national organizer of the NDC, is that correct?
Currently I'm the deputy national
I know
organizer.
But we are national organizer.
Yeah, I have not declared my intent, but what I can tell you is I'm not contesting deputy organizer.
Okay, so the deputy national organizer for the NDC, but Washebo says our deputy national organizer and the no say that space in there, keep watching it. The decision will come when the need arises. Chief Akwa Bayeda says so. Well, and the doctor for here, the Dr. Dixon Adomako Kisinso Atnasi, Oko a year. Enya so tuma ono na ye mrashibe dwani or under the ticket of the New Patriotic Party. Doc Edase. So Ajimbre so ni ye bedi nkomo. Say constituency ye boko.
Issue na to na ha ende.
Makwan no.
Ya kwan ne gatas. Enti abibia issue to na me mo shimi kakra.
Contractor was so anase mo ma contract.
Ya kwan ne doso. In fact, greater courage, and I think a percentage wise, in terms of percentage, tarred roads are that form cry. For now, no, what I can boast of and say, I dredging a lot, and at the Silton, and that is what we are managing by. But I'm hoping, say, maybe to say Agape Pentecost Road in the next foreseeable 90 days, there'll be heavy work happening there. And then also, Anteku areas, so municipal, maybe a municipal, and also Yego so at the moment, the contractor haul your drains, and a few other major roads. But all in all, I wish we were doing much more.
Okay, but Chief Bainiam clearly will tie into the question Mebusa with our first topic. You are a businessman. How is business, especially your experience at the port, because that's where a lot of experience. Now, I was confident to operate other businesses. In the system, it is saying, because.
That's it. I'm free to now. I'm chair. Oh, now I'm chair. Doctor, this is the first time I'm in the share with settled, but you'll be admiring the presentation from afar. Doc, nice one. Okabra, and then on your port, on your Sebi hospital, but if you be to be young Guadim, my baby cry, on am not the other Kugani, Koton, the man, or than a deep fade, and then I get. Say, I'm in your cassade, baby, in you are, sector be in you are, a baby someone there, one to train, and one she shared. I will be to catch your do, Yamanado might be and the Mabafum. Then mo catch on you there, and then wired. Na mekan wo
topics here that my hand na me hu the Dr. Theophilus Achampon economist no nitri mu do na or the economist ni wura medicine mu kakra na we manyije mu ko panelist or a doctor o say ehwe mesiman dem are ko say na situation a ye wo ma ebeka bia no akoba nde yemfa yenyinto ndema bia wesi ana yenhwe ndema bia wesi na onu ntin yehu nde ndema mayedin ebinyi Russia na Ukraine won war ebinyi the fact that COVID-19 na obobadi nde se kakada siteni mayedin pe na wa wa bem wa sama wo kanye de o yentumrika ne yenkwankwohwe ho but economists na twen adwene gina bibi tama COVID by no oman wo bode rude henyina yenhwe ne yeninzama obotum wa ma yen immune we boost ye no na asema wo ka che henyide no matter maybe there o system ni begina do say wo underlying ailment bia COVID no so mu ahia wa asem be mobo and he is saying, and which I agree with him, that if you no ayedri and amazing man them why ye dear yehwe IMF name no bobo hen na what to turn them here. On my hand clear indication there so ampa and them na we sisi na ye can we sisi de na so na hiankasa ye economy no na oyar. But in your intro you said something. The man say ye be hwe na so man na ye ya na hu be here there ye be truthful. One. Two, as a yebe transparent, na ye honest. Okay? Se ishe nkomo a wakodo wo hema yim offer here economy ho. In fact, say ye digina IMF kruyara oda ho ya ye kana asem ya. Until there, omanpenyima ye tase de baby aye dru ye ko ho. In fact, na wotwe na wotwe bie na ansa na omanpenyi krade baka go na party penyifo abanum mpenyifo a wo a ruling government ni mu mpanyimfo wo ma yeta say no we know how to do it and you know in the man na ye ba toto ne de ye ba bo mo de na ya toto ne man nyina na Ghana afa ne tampa pefra na offer ne ye ba ko IMF crowd onya ada ye ba ko nti kwabna ibon the time my president carry ko IMF he took na ne party mpanyimfo kase kurpa anyi ma me brother penyi a all contest Opera ko president or flag bearer or Ken akompreko. No nyi nkrofu share I didn't jiga no I can't take this no na den ye ko ka kire Ghana fu ma ye kan kire Ghana fu nyina na ndisi fu kra obeka da fa ye ho aya ye ka kire ho na ibotumi aye IMF ye nko oba na ne ye ko IMF. So it takes me back to intro no there ehun de na nkomo na wonyi edin na nokori nyim na enya ko touch the nukori nyimi pe then you are going to question the honesty that we are talking about because bro amambu na owodo say oye Ghana fu na ya pon yentum no hu na ye dama the political party wonye na want to turn them awon famine enti no say political party ni ta be mi na say ne susui na ne hihye no mo pede nko ye ma manfo ndama na wa pass kakakra nto ntumi nyenda ma hwensi ukwan de yebema wona ye edwuma na ma hon we who the true situation
that this is the situation
so that the people can they might not be happy but they will support you wadam kwanado so that obi ayi na kumem no ahekwa na obafada obeye bibi kakra obotumabo but you see impa na adi tum na man na wonyi danodun ono not soro because ye nyina intum nkosoro that's why we have to take one day na impa not to honor my atase day all is well ono na banna ni hihye no wedwuma wo ye ne di no dey boko from the yenko then dem impa not soro no kadam na so bodum bribi no penyim pa no wo na afia aba abeka che ne baby man to hihye na edun o de ye kodama na mon o ma hinsa awu na wo fom ha na ehwe dem penyin na ba asem no obeka che a oboto wasum ana beje di na da yedwuma enti no yes system ni mu ayedin wo introduction no so hold papa but it is not only for sabi ina ye hwe ana hwe na ya ba betina especially in one or two wo nsema ya mo ho kwande wonye adwuma no kwani nyi ho ina menyu ka se susu nyama so nye ina nhihye na yedi gu akwemi no obviously ye nhihye na obama ndema ye better na nyimpa na eyen hyehyɛ ya amanzama ye better amanen usu na uban na abagidi na odru kodam nyimpa ni mo no so de dam akoma pa na odru tawechi. That is where we find ourselves now. And sometimes it's sad. Say ye teaching na se ehwa. No akwa dey sebi na onam de oya amanyo seminti. Yentumi enya amanyo sem no na yemfa yentu ye yemfa asam no to be. But they are fine gentlemen now. Why them even in the MPP. There are people that engage in one situation na a woman. First of all, they admit no one who they challenge na a woman or a challenge or men here. But thinking there what was some human resource into Ubutu BB what that one. That should be the approach. Into Kwabna say the and the margin say I mean you can say the times are hard. It could go mnike bisa one would go. In fact, the last time I echo Juma Ashanti region. They decided the mankasa call gum na makoto one because you cherry into I 1 or 2 cooking just to test the environment. And when you know that it is an area a friend partner and can 1 year and impatient son be the able who work can casa be what they call a family. But that was not the case. Then I realized that politicians nankasa no who be here, especially the MPP, no that was set up in the sense that it is no more about the MPP, the NDC. Because in the market, 1 year quoted, Obi and find this in MPP in quoted. And to send them why you didn't say, Iguan and the man bonusura norqua. Now it gets back to Ahin or Bokotoku. Into Ibe Jumaneye. A Jumaneye and would show Kawahi, who expenditure to the Ahin a service. It is a nye Juma. Na system Numunoya didn't more from that point. Na igom so I dinner, you can imagine. That is the reality. Now, if we don't confront it, Dama, na ya hekwana ya bafada. Actually, the hen krana ye denyimen ye nyo pepa ye from major mafo. Because what we are doing, it is for others who are coming to come and tell the story. Na se foundation na shishene ye mfa no kwedi. Na ye mfa to oni ye hunde kuru no ohonyi aman aida makuru about now. Yeah, introduction na hafu. Ada wanguti ne wukru. Masu mi fi kofi. Ona bosu mi shiro filuku. Na imagine na akwa hafu na akotu unya sebi. Ono wa hafu a. Unya opportunity na Nyankopon na dum awenya na edum pempen redri. Na dem nyimpa ni kuru abane na. Na awe hu de dem kuru yo hoi. So when you bandage na si we mia kuru na problem be. O de bandage ni chichiri na hwa na say. And now so brand man actually we lose nano we try. Should that be the case? How long na able to me in Katadumu Amado? Yeza in the name of politics na yeza true yeza batang. To why is it now why is it? Okay, why is it iba kwana yer fado? The mishishe ni yezi gwa kwim. This is what we expect from yenu anumo wabem ena bani painful. Then there will be create impression. Oh, are you COVID na Ukraine? Fine. Ukraine na COVID. Into Ukraine funu wonja ntokwa kwa Ghana ye nya hope ana.
That's the question.
Ah, come on. It's sad.
Doc.
Yeah. Make us say buy ni money kasa. Of fantino I know you de kama. If we have some compare fan to Doctor B, Emia, na me say recordoa. Oh, so okay. Anyways, yes, fans work room. Yeah. Anyway, me no na meka. Didi kind. One of my economic professors, I say insurance tides no. Eba for man you home almost nika no mo enche nika. Na eno no de omo pache ne say unza udware a mo dos na mo gu nsuo nim and as the tight no sure kata ni mepi de o hye bia kata so but the tight in from saying boom na mo enche nika yehu ene omo enche nika na de omo ne say during the COVID time ana epeja ne mu no ene na ama all economic reasoning either they are two backbench. And I think so you can one thing rings in my mind. President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo eka kyerɛ ɔman ni na sɛ no credit nipa ehwe ne nkwa yentumi nye ho hwe na mmom nhyehyɛ wɔ hɔ amambo nhyehyɛ wɔ hɔ ɛma yɛdwadie ne bibia no ɛno deɛ sɛ ɛto kyima kra na kwan bi so no yɛbɛtumi ayɛ bibi ayɛ dan afa ho na ɛno bɛyɛ ne ngina so ɛma deɛ sɛ ɔyɛ bia bɔ Ghana for ho ban no I think sɛ president ne na bɛdi akyire ne ɔman ne nyinaa mpanimfoɔ ɛyɛ deɛ sɛ fata sɛ na Ghana the number of deaths are associated or related to COVID no ɛbɛwɔ fam and the hono ɛyɛ na America I think worldwide no yɛabɔ Ghana for aba so in terms of nneɛma a yɛhwɛeɛ anaa sika a yɛde ɛkɔ mu no kɔ yɛmeanim even reviews aba recently po ɔmo ɛma yɛn sika agye ato mu sɛ in fact kwan a yɛfa so use sika no they think say appropriate. These are some of the words we use here. And Yemen America, this and what has been so clear is say, baby a yeko pacho kra apem buano. Almost what jet to me say, dear cost we mining no, more of, and this is a word I want to use to external factors. You know, and yet necessarily say Ghana, send your boy a bra. And a day science and so on so but oma jatum say we are some fananyama akosono edienya now sticking to the matters at hand professor or shall I say Dr. Theophilus Champon then sembi o kan na memeni anje ho say eba say uko bankruptcy court meka bankruptcy court company a envans o hwachro unye sika kwantua wejuma for na de akeka ho the first thing I ever hear, there were books eso. Ijapadia wo. And I beg to differ, say, Prof, or not, me make a mistake. Dr. Echampo na or economics. I beg to differ, say, Ghana, in Yema away books so, persika you use no. Me hey, I must say, I'm a bit more comfortable. The Inter-America say, very difficult say nipa enyanim de na obe quantify no in dollar amount until say nipa no ebe start aye ejuma no oyesika and worldwide no so no it has been proven say obia obe ku nanim ewo sukuu mu no ne sika onya echen de wan ko bi kra ana mekasa na uwie class 6 no anto aso a de okọ JSS wieye a better chance of making more money than wow we were class 6. So as soon as Utsuasuko University a better chance of making more money on average. In totality, no, and there your human capital are increasing. Doc ever finding it very difficult so be quantify because you drew some people so. And which is in never P where your books as well. I think say you to me adanidi ama we are finance to me say near kwambi so no na we were projecting to do in MP nemum yarea am to be shut down airports be entirely in fact you can say of biblical proportion be see we are say ache na that is na make say ohwa a different way my mukra despite me ante bakupo so ka say ya rebi eba na yehu se ne be hye dey I think say meno the word one word you use here and you're very unfortunate also reckless and you're reckless and then no emebu a omenya nimdie kakra kan de no mo ho because of educational policies any loans I dem a school for call school I think the meno is in order. Na emum ohwe roads eso akoso and mpempi na na me yappy because me remember yet parliament loans iba both parties and the share loans no.
But the bottom line the chief kind there my take was that Ghana and Nino City is not getting better and two no credit and so ahwasem no atosin or yen komo a yedi nim nti yan hya ase antwe ho amfiri me MPP me na mo so nti de bia da de meka bia ye right me NDC me opposition nti me so me hu de right so 3 things the Ghanaian there's a large population bi omo silent majority bia nyoma nkoyi omo other than this is where we have come to as a result of ABC. And you raise a critical point. So Ukraine, any Russia, any idea, any space crime before.
Oh, who's a finance minister? Jatumu say times are hard. In fact, last budget obekanye I had the pon parliament. Ojitumu esain ka enyeme pia akoswa amedi enya. And in fact, one case just Ukraine and now COVID. Osain kaka who say a lot of flagship programs are on minor on our manpeniji to me you know were very expensive. Now me nuabe ma buying ya where say ya finance minister Kotna I think TV3 so ka say onyaya anka free SHS in impono anka changes bibewo compared to the buy. And this is it's make I say can credia make I say on that level no finance minister can say or no di onyaya anka free SHS no omo a entumi ntua no ene be den be hwe enti unfortunately no or one member on the cabinet ono kwa ne vote entumi and take his decision no others on the cabinet feel it otherwise enti can we fault finance minister say or achana drink nemum yan gentleman we can't fault him and by so you aware to say not all even MPP4 necessarily energy too. There's always some dissent or dissenting opinions about some of these things. Nemum, at the end of the day, no, we have a leadership I follow. And I think more and more, no, leadership kind of crano to the average Ghanaian. Nanka, President Nyaya, you be moving away from debia ye de ensa e kose mboa. That is what he wished for. Nemom no the way you call about it no ene yaria na yenim se bebe no kre has hoodwinked bonyebeka asesa nyemepi ama bibia yakọ pie no I'm very sure say some adjustments will come out of it. The MPP government or Nana Addo Akufo-Addo government are very ready na opinion kasa na utia na utini years. So who say he's come out boldly because I am mindful say ubu minus so on somehow become to Mr. MP and case in point a person like finance minister the one sentence to Mr. your stocks a price for this country. Interest rates one kasa yepe usually no or government more you have to be very careful about a choice of words and not coming out bibia to talk no interest you didn't.
Okay, so my guest Dr. Kisi Anas Chief Bine, a happy birthday to Julian Elekem Papa 1 year if you will for Sandra Anna Julius one war a year kokro BT. And our continuous conversation on fighting illegal mining. I had to this Galamsey. And they won't come with us. Well, Yasaba Damuina must say, try and come on so and say Chief Baini Ewahanum say Deputy National Organizer the NDC and Dr. Adom Akukisi Enyasotum MPP ticket soldier the member of parliament for that constituency. Chief, in our quest to fight illegal mining, Galamsey, yenam kwani mu anasa fedi ya kasa ya kasa sa keke no solution.
That's it. As a country, and as a government, the fight against Galamsey say if you baby ma why Galamsey baby ma su dida onye mo ba say be krate me na TV do ma won work am ye can be na kwa pro na hu situation or wo form there kwamna ma ye be kan de Galamsey fight ni ye fail You see, ubia ne pepa nye de nkada muntokoi obedum pempendu bia obeye faso odama. Kwa na nde wona woyi nsumu na men. Baby pi wo ha wontum nyi dem nsumu na men wonton. Another wontipo. Because dem nsunam na ekoyin ahwe ana baby ma enzem aha won sanad na no nkeka hunu hu sunsundu bia abafrem na akwa wi bibi bon. Intino galam se asem do ye nyibrisem a oman mu nyina obia sebe nim pa bonyi denka yebotu obi nka de mining oyat bon come na eko other countries na me nko chi South Africa ya oil the site no oil fepo wo ye ho adwuma so oil mfaso ma hona mfaso no so orebo man but that is not the case share I was telling you the ekodi Jumadi Ashanti region there is an area where ahonjo our friend is a few nkwan or so.
Yeah, few nkwan. Yeah.
My brother. A whole China city. Vegetables are what on local. Vegetables no Chinese in Norton. And I looked at them and I said, wow. We should be concerned as Ghanaians and ask them, what is happening around here? Now say if you damn area on say ko a children crana wa ye jumana ne hunzama bono then you understand the no. Jumaji be recordo. Nimu machines are what on. Nne champagne aja ye kan wan se mi nyina no. Wo hu ehun champagne ne kese no. But one motor na wo use a ono no ma adwuma ne yen. That is what some people are looking at. It a water bar what on the koya what was the koya goji. A free na what the photo aden. The koya what was the koya dey but that is what they use for that. Two. Them topic ya wa mo akofa here by oye them Aisha no them was a three other people and when Aisha onya bill. I think the Galam say if you miss my way dinyana I'm your president. The president before be president or candidate Boasi nim komo okodi wo ho. Ono no ma president obey o man panyin no kade ne kuna wa start o Galam say no do. Say ono kra na ebinu feed on into over 20 and I want to 10 and that was a good approach. Now order any actions and odi my yehu there. Them position now we taken. Ne hun sunsun ando na work. I'm saying, ya ye hun ostriches na ye wo my. And I bury yeti wo fo na yechi wo so. I'm not like Otufo said in that gathering. There what did they wanna wo ye meeting. So what kind of what him says here will be a certain percentage of the people that want na wo meeting ni ma hun class na wo wage against them Galam saying, I'm sure we'll be some more of them there. They are involved in the Galam say. The truth of the matter in there are people who are supposed to know better. There are people that say be too one same. One soon they're supposed to know better. They are involved one way or the other in this Galam say. But at the end of the day, on your no site are all too. Into onu fido, onu be involved no we pave way. Not that microphone more but that is under yenya waha in there. And you know, look, it's not only about Besiana watching and other people, but Anamuntuna Banritun, it doesn't show that seriousness. I can't mean you are Bubai. You can be a bonabado as a young man initiative and now or here. But I didn't quite be there. Forces now away you manunankasan. Wobble Sebia, unso innovation Nadreba Beyejuman. Because if you look at the force or by Emma we were discussing in this country as to whether the ensure excavator and ensure, people were so angry thinking them in them saying as saying that approach you know be detailed for government in Kodono. Today as we speak in can we say can a ban obotu wonyat na hono akande taking over from the Galamsey fight baby man and them asiche wa kwa kudun dem pempendo ayedui yako 20 yako 30 yako 40 na indications each the year kumbaidi ni year kuko yenyim. Do we have those records are able to make that analysis now? We don't have them. And ahemfo no kra na odo wo protecting ebinum so wo do ho agim ekoneko kana nkaka ni yeso a ebehu na enya amande na omana yetim na ade ne memhen a he nyina ye gitum no mo hen na eka na ekonya amande omamufo no obey den ho aka ho asem kwabna omani mufo no obey den ho aka ho asem.
So we are getting the approach wrong.
Oh, Kwabna, you see, I never hear you be actually. You see, I'm thinking. Oh, yes, why not?
I didn't know, no credit. There's one key thing. Cocaine sales has been there forever. We are fighting. We won't come to zero cocaine sales. Armed robbery, we are fighting. We will never come to zero armed robbery. And I think that Ghana, yeah, cocaine no abe galam say, aye endemic. Because look Mexico now, they are fighting drug problem.
But as much as we will come to zero, no.
Oh, there's me.
We are getting worse.
I think that there's another key thing. Once the Ghanaian population increase, you would expect that the population involved in illegal activities will also go up. And also another fact. Now, let me beg you, I commend the current Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. I think that in as much as the challenges are heavy, some of the things are more me share inspectorate division in Nema or Diamomo. I say no, that is powerful. Because first, no, one is a kun no more has say, a Jumana a Diashenko for is na baby a lot of mom some Jumano, a hot or more and now say more year outside perimeter Diamomo. Sign go for Crana, excuse me, say petrol and a car and now if you don't call. No money, but Obaye, he has empowered that division, and I think a very key element. May patrol some increases number of people are almost call out to even check the work of those almost legal mining, because unfortunately, when they are free to do anything without supervision, and then they problems in Biaba. Now, one other thing I may tell you from Lands and Natural Resources, they are assisting people to regularize. Within the last quarter, he approved 100 people with concessions. 100. I've been seeing for the past almost 2 years. And I think that our approach of regularizing people are almost pesa omutia abayin sika to do the work well. I think that this current approach, because me musika, me person me to asase, sage me, bibia, my ready, abayin, me finance your day, me sika esamitia, my ready to pay all of these things. Then so, for some reason, ye mame in krata, ubana me ye no kwanya as ye fast ye kwa, we can say illegal. And we all know, you krum haewo, asase kekepo. Me no asase aye koto in cry hanum wa ukaso betwe o people so be bani atwa obi foforo. And this is the Ghana we live in. Enti I think that once lands improve it, because in nya anke to asase ya na regularize your documents ni aye den ni esi but said na nyema akoye no this auto foundation eto up to lentil and sana utie year lands commission amount in Krakow here, and this has been some of the problem in the industry. And I think that Abai has come to realize it. And there's a huge change from the initial paradigm. I think that we have to acknowledge it under the leadership of this new minister. I really think that the current approach, albeit say, in Mabuna, as I said, call year inspections, the own pijemu, Name Kran, on Mame, Nipa Bez 100, be Name Formu and Shimu, so that I can get, the job. And I think, sir, what is key is, sir, all of these youth are a bit call to check on these sites to make sure, sir, they are working within their confines and doing the right thing. No? That bill should be given to the companies that are involved in mining. Are buying a bill. When you get your concession, we also tell you the cost involved in supervising your work, and you pay that. And this might be our best approach because, Masa, Galamsey is clearly going to be with us until the last diamond or gold in this country is gone. We have to admit that. Now, however, measures being between Ediakumu. In another country, omuyi video, obata ya ne bashe ne chine kite tu. are we ready to fight the police in another country. And I don't think we want to get there. But in as much as people need food on the table, money to manage their affairs, if you're in the Western region or wherever, it is highly likely. You know, a drew time be not getting on a ship illegal was the thing. Until say who's there go for Hiramunkwa at sea and all of these things. Then the Tadi boys, no, as you know.
Doc, we talk about reduction, we talk about minimizing, but in our case, it's shooting up.
I also think, sir, let me just add to Chief, sir, I also think, sir, no credit. I did some audits recently. Some of the videos are old videos. And we're not doing ourselves a good service. You did old videos, near sign and that gives that perception, sir, you know, it is on the rise. But I beg to differ, sir. Let's time and tag the videos appropriately. And we'll check here, your auditor, forensic auditor, you realize, sir, some of these things are reruns of old videos. And unfortunately, in as much as I love you, Chief, your party has done some video, fake video of you know, reversa, nentisa, and these are unfortunate. And almost so emboa that you die emboa many year. Now, sa perception I'm more creating. Chief Finey, sa perception I'm more creating. Moment toning down because listen, our government suffered in 2020 election because of the stance on illegal mining. And I hope, sir, this time, no.
Use approach me. I'm on phone now. What kind of what boy did? Who wants to go crucify? As much as I love you, no, go crucify. I think, sir, one, the fight or the work to reduce this thing is ongoing. Recently, about 10 motors on the Siposo are not marines. How many from saying?
Speedboat,
no, not the speedboat, but Navy 4. No. Say Juman is saying is a very commendable thing. Say no. So there are some things that are happening. A record. What's man say?
Don't get me wrong.
Not yes, no, yes, say attitude.
I'm not saying that.
Why have him for you to a deal with Omufi? And no bet me, I can say a buying. I him for what to buy back. I'm buying. Abandoning what to buy back. And that is where we are. I mean, and it cuts both ways. Exactly. It cuts both ways. I'm saying that you're the minister, no, but dog, be a minister in private. Missy, in sa, what shade you money my way. Sometimes some on Ankasa need you man cry man. Pape. Galamsey investigation why. Odun be no name there, Nimpa in Chini denti. In some be crowd and can't go. What's in China? So they are even encouraging some of these boys to go into salt mining.
I'm saying short. If you go to Ada,
they are encouraging. The mode of operation.
When the Galamsey issues came, maybe I bring you up. The second week, after me her pressure go for Mr. Boge. And that is where I'm more dog. It's not about videos, so baby my yefi banner Juma yenti pro. And dog in some be hoya.
Oh, but I think the inspectorate no beboa.
In some be hoya. And I think that I'm now one of the things there or they in policy direction towards this fight near decentralizing because I'm saying it doesn't happen in Accra. That's what I'm making answer.
But it affects us.
Exactly. If we have a direction that this is the way I hear Korea, decentralized, and we have people representing the president all over. In various districts, municipals across. And if that is the way we are going, and this is the fight, it doesn't matter where you are. But you cut across the damn quantity. Oh, now why? In them on your crowd, Yanjan to my way and by force. In them on your crowd, whatever, Nayan to my way and by force. I will MP, I'll crown or their catcher. Maybe I made it today.
Chief, by yes, sir. It's at the end of the day, in concluded, no, I really think, sir, the current minister, Mitumi Chamano, in the sense that I think, sir, approach Mekuduka, and as you well know, Takwa, I think it's a goal that you two are getting. Takwa has been one of the, powerful players that almost contributed to gold reserves in this country. I really think that the current mode and our way buying echo about Galamsey fight, is commendable. Now, more videos, about some of the initiatives that are taking. Motors now are told the people so checking. That's very commendable. But could be a boy, easy.
Okay, so
but my I will continue. Who advisor to the president also? Yenyan Mwankwa, Yakobo Busa one for my. Namu Anajuma na semi. Oh, Kwabna, don't you have the video?
I don't think that is what he meant to say. I don't think that's what he meant.
Honorable, how would you find you? Na binu mu fine gra. Some walk out.
But the macaro
Dr. Kisi fine.
Oh, I find gentleman. I find gentleman when some more Kenya or the tum them American no ye, but all any party you made or the found. I understand. I the man will come at him. Chief.
Okay, so we've done well. Just that party no members even go boo at the president. It's not really good.
You see, you have to put people to their papa. Look, say a woman not president. Oko program on today. Na damasemi usi. Na ya banner they claim they were listening. Now they run to town. No, Kokade na president Akufo-Addo programs are why attend Ghana. Any first one. And this if we now go Jamaica and then Obeya. I mean, what kind of? You see, they should lift the game. They should lift the game. Obin Kade, NDC Funti, president. Why? Donald Trump. Obi the issue go the one. I know them not. No, it's
my French president.
George Bush.
George Bush, rather. Are you sure? Yeah, Bush rather.
But Trump did not be finished.
Yeah. Nah, that means me. Osi. Abanti na damadi basic.
Is
not happy with something. Now you are not looking at it from the global president. I didn't canon no pedal country. We are seeing no strategic. Say not different. But the people are what take you now. Even president.
But I must say, President Natalia no shekwa mum the media me feel.
President is
blue with some very nice. And at first lady was there.
President is president.
Beautiful.
Obey president, look old man. Obey president, you are young. It's everything about him is fine. No
fresh.
Problem. The issue here and there.
But also can't say more.
Also president I fresh.
So obey president no old man.
You know look old man. She said on old man.
Well, you see what
president
that you buy say. Or that Dr. Kisi was our pressure that's it. I'm not mentioning. We're meeting. Thank you.